So I already set up my barbecue. Here's my propane tank. Then I connected with my barbecue. This is not clean. I'm gonna clean in a second. Like it's clean, but I have to refresh it basically. So, and today's menu is, here you go, it's kafta kebab, guys. So those are the lamb and beef kafta kebabs. Then we have naan. We're gonna make some chutney. We have drinks, but we are not like fond of drinks. But we have drinks. I think we're not gonna drink today. This is our kitchen utensils in it. Paper plates, kitchen towel, some cries, whatever you name it, it's inside. So this is our setup. I'm gonna start my barbecue, and then I'll let you know. Look at like what a beautiful evening, guys. Look at that. It's like it's 7 o'clock. Look at that. So we have our neighbor. They have a RV truck and trailer. Look at that. Everybody is right now preparing their dinner. This girl in that side also doing their dinner. And this side, guys, this is our tent. On the other side of our car, behind the scene, there's Walton Lakes. Look at that here. What a beautiful evening, guys. Light, cool breeze right now is going on. Back there, some kids and families doing their, I think they're playing something, maybe soccer, badminton, maybe. It's very good. So I'm gonna start my barbecue and I'll meet you in a bit. Okay guys, so our barbecue is clean. I'm just glazing grill with the oil. So in this way it's not gonna stick with the kebabs. And our kebab are frozen actually. So I'm gonna cook on the medium flame basically. And let's put it on. So here are our kebabs. Put it here. See, my barbecue is pretty hot, so I'm gonna put on low flame because still the kebabs are frozen. Okay, so kebabs are in. Got it. Guys, it's time to turn over the kebabs, I think so. Going very good, guys. Let me turn over. See that? Wow. And then once I'm gonna turn over, I'm gonna put some oil on it. So it should not dry. Okay. Probably within 10 minutes it's gonna be done. Yeah. We'll meet you in a bit. We already heat up our naan, so we are pretty much close to done. Look at that. I think so. Our kebab is pretty much done. So I'm gonna remove the kebab and meet you. Pretty good. here.
I think so. Naan is done. Naan is done.
Yeah, this one is okay. Pretty much. We are back. Our kebab is done. Our naan is hot. 2 plates. I'm gonna. This is the mid chutney. We are just make it. I'm gonna take some of the chutney on the side. I'm gonna take lemon. I'm gonna first try like how the taste are. Let me show you. Look at that. Pretty much juicy. You see juice? Oh man. Oh man. Look at that. So let me do the base test, which I always do. So let me. Pretty much good. Awesome, man. I'm gonna put some lemon on it. Then I'm gonna try this. I'm licking my finger now. So tasty. I'm gonna try with naan, some chutney. There you go. Good. See you in a bit. It's a tea time. I've just put my water on the stove. I forget about my electric kettle at home, man. So I just put it in my water. We have a tea. So once it's boiled, we're gonna have a tea in the evening. So it's gonna be boiling in a bit. Pretty much close to ready, so I can see the boil. So we have an instant tea. It's everything is mixed in it. So we'll make it in a bit. Mixture I'm gonna put in. Okay, everything is mixed in it. Okay. Check it that. Oh, what a color, man. Oh wow. Basically this I think so one sachet is for bigger size.
Yep.
Right? So we'll put it in. Come on. So let me put this one in here. I think so we should use this one sachet for 2 cups because this is a 12 ounce cup. Yeah, pretty much. Wait. Wow. That's it. We need a teaspoon. Spoon is on that side. 10:30 right now, pretty dark, but it's a full moon night. There's a moon rising, and behind me you see that little bit cloud on that side, but this side is pretty much clear. You see that how the north side is. So this is right now, I think so, 10:30, and you can see how bright north side is. So this is always kind of in Canada, man. So one side is pretty dark, you see that, and this side is pretty much bright. So here you see, I was thinking I can show you the sunrise, but it's not clear right now, cloudy. This is the south side actually, this is the American side. Okay, this is the inside of our tent. We have lantern light here, pretty good light. Here we already open our sleeping bags, pillows, and this is our heater, guys. We might need it and maybe not, but it's ready because outside is below 10 degrees right now. It's always here, it's water temp. In the morning it's 20 plus degree, and the night it's gonna be below 10 degrees. So you have to bring here winter cloth, you know. So we are pretty much ready. I thought I'm gonna show you the inside of my tent. Heater, once again our lantern, beautiful light, so beautiful. So then we'll see you tomorrow morning.